The sort function sorts the contents of a range or array. The unique function is used in column E to list every distinct asset number from the transaction table. The unique function is then embedded inside a sort function in column G to sort the list of every distinct asset number in ascending order. The sort function has four components. The array is the range of cells that you want the formula to review. The sort index is a number representing the column or row of the array to be sorted. In this example, the array consists of only one column, therefore 1 is entered here. However, if the array contained more than one column, the entry here determines the column of the array which you want to be sorted. The sort order is entered as 1 or -1 to determine whether the array is sorted in ascending or descending order. By col determines whether you are sorting rows or columns within the array. In this example, rows are sorted, therefore false is entered. In column H, a simple SUMIF formula is used to determine the total amount per asset number. So now you have the total amount per asset sorted in ascending asset number.